Hey YouTube, this is Matt with Mr. Energy. Hey, I just showed you some welding here. What we're doing, we're adding this piece to the door frame for our pizza oven. So we're back in production mode on our wood-fired pizza oven, and we've got one here about halfway made, and I'm ready to put the door on. And I'm actually going to weld the door frame to this arch support, which supports our bricks. Anyhow, focus on the welding here. You've already saw some welding, and that was a vertical weld on a lap. So this is a lap weld. This piece laps this one, or actually about halfway in the middle. So anyhow, what I'm gonna do is just run a few beads, a couple welds, maybe about an inch thick, all along this surface to weld this piece to my door frame. So I've got it clamped, got it all set where I want to go. I'm going to use this little lens for the camera, and got my welding hood on. This is difficult to do with one hand, by the way. Here we go. So we're trying not to look at the light, and we're watching the puddle of melted steel. And basically, what we're trying to do here is just split the difference between the two metals and get this laid right in there nice and flat. So we're going to wire brush this and sand it smooth and let it cool a little bit. But this piece again is the door frame for our wood-fired pizza oven. Hey, we're going to show you some more videos on welding, and if you think you can DIY, I'll show you the whole process. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.